If you're looking for an apartment with privacy, we have one here for you. Hi, my name is Brian, and today we have a rare 999 years leasehold 3-bedroom for sale at Hilbre 28 in District 19. The owners have spent over $50,000 on their renovation. Without much further ado, come, let me show you this place. The residents here can enjoy facilities such as a swimming pool, jacuzzi, barbecue area, gym, and many more. Hilbre 28 is located 2 kilometers radius away from Serangoon and Kovan MRT stations. Shopping centre such as Heartland Mall, Upper Serangoon Shopping Centre, and Next are just a few minutes drive away. The famous Chom Chom Food Centre is just down the streets. This unit is sized at 861 square feet. It is accompanied with 1 master bedroom, 2 common bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a household shelter, a living and dining area, and lastly a balcony. Stepping into this spacious living hall, you will realize a beautifully built-in TV feature wall, and this allows you plenty of storage space. The unit is also well lit and well ventilated thanks to the balcony next to the living room. Moving on to the kitchen, it comes with the top and bottom cabinets and with built-in appliances. There's also a yard over here. Coming into this master ensuite, you can fit in a queen-size bed and 2 side tables. On top of that, you have a full high wardrobe which gives you plenty of storage space. Both common rooms come with full height wardrobes, giving you plenty of storage space. The common rooms also come in with built-in bed with storage that gives the new buyer additional space. They are both well lit by natural lighting, giving the rooms the soothing and cozy vibes. If you love a minimally renovated apartment with privacy, and that's away from a bustling city, do contact me for an exclusive viewing now. And once again, my name is Brian, and I hope to see you soon.